Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Magnolia Beach, Texas, a peaceful coastal community known for its quiet charm and beautiful natural surrounding. Our journey begins as we drive through the small town of Magnolia Beach, a place where time seems to move a little slower and the pace of life is relaxed. This tiny community is nestled along the shores of Lavaca Bay, offering stunning views of the water and a serene atmosphere that makes it a perfect getaway for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Magnolia Beach has a rich history that dates back to the 19th century when it was a popular spot for settlers and traders. The area's proximity to the bay made it an ideal location for fishing and shipping, which were key to the early development of the town. Today, the town retains much of its historic character, with charming old buildings and a strong sense of community that reflects its small town roots. As we continue our drive, we make our way onto the beach itself, which is one of the main attractions of Magnolia Beach. The beach is a wide, sandy stretch that runs along the bay, providing a perfect setting for a variety of outdoor activities. Whether you're interested in fishing, kayaking, or simply taking a leisurely stroll along the shore, the beach offers something for everyone. Magnolia Beach is a place where you can truly unwind and connect with nature. The combination of the bay's calm waters, the soft sands of the beach, and the small town charm of the community makes this area a special destination for those seeking a relaxing coastal experience.